Good morning, welcome back to casa.texpina. We're on build day number 178. It is Saturday, payday. We have a full crew on site, welders, painters, ceiling guys, and our regular labor crew. So let's go ahead and get inside and see what's going on. Let's get started. Alright, so let's go ahead and come inside. We'll see where everybody's at today. Get the gate closed up. Alright, around on the side we've got two of our painters. They're continuing with the sanding on the last fence grill down there. You see the two gentlemen way down at the end. They're compatriot. They got a third guy. He's working inside. So let's go ahead and continue inside the house. We've got electricians that are continuing to pull conduit and pull wires, pulling the wire throughout the house. As you can see here, we've got ceiling guys. Actually, this is one of the ceiling crew. They are starting to put the ceiling up in the master hallway. They got 6 of their guys here today. And they are continuing to work in the media room upstairs, which I'll show you later, as well as in the master bedroom area. In here we've got a couple of things going on. Primary focus today, this morning, is for these square Grecian columns on the bottom. And if time allows, they will go ahead and continue back over to the kitchen cabinets. Electricians, this is Mr. Kerwin. They are still continuing to pull wire wherever necessary. Coming back here for the linen closet. Linen closet and the walk-in closet for the third bedroom. They're starting to put in the base for the cabinetry at the bottom. So this is they do a concrete base for everything that's on the floor. So that's where they're continuing with that. And here in the Jack and Jill bath area, Mr. Carlito is doing the grouting. Okay, and they have reached full height here, so at a later point the ceiling guys are going to come back and lower the furring that they had already installed. So they're going to come back and lower that back down to the top of the tile. And working our way in, coming upstairs, ceiling guys are continuing with the gypsum board ceiling installation. We got Miss Emie up here supervising already. Good morning, Miss Emie. So we've got gypsum board this way here in the center, and they cut their strips to match as they're going for the additional support going along that sides. And let's see, what else do we have going on today? Beautiful view. Don't you love this view? And let's go see what's going on downstairs. All right, continuing our way out the back. Mr. Wilson is continuing skim coating the exterior wall cladding. So make sure to cover all those nail holes. Speak of the devil. He's working on that. Here in the garage area, our welding crew are continuing to fabricate the sliding gate. This is a sliding gate that'll be going up from this post to that post and sliding that direction. Mr. Donde over here is they're working to put the steel bar, the stainless steel bar that the wheels are going to slide on, like I showed you yesterday. So these are already put in place. Looking good so far. All right, over here we're starting to pour the cement around the guide rail for the sliding gate here. So I've already got the support beam underneath with the stainless steel rod that's going to be the gate's going to be riding on, and so we're pouring the concrete for it now. Continuing with the sliding gate, Mr. Lito is putting in the rods, the vertical rods that go in between for the grill. They've already got the castings on the rods, but they're not placed yet, so they're just they're just on the rod. They'll place them at a later point to make sure to do the design straight across the bottom and follow the arc on the way on the top. Over here we got the carpenter on the other side, still continuing with the columns, doing the square Grecian columns. And our ceiling crew up on top, still putting in the drywall, the gypsum board, all the way down. They're working their way down the hallway. Over here in the corner, we have the base poured for our cabinetry here. Again, we're going to have a linen closet for just the first couple bit. That's what this bottom piece here, and everything on the other part of it is going to be the walk-in closet for bedroom 3 with shelving up above. So drawers on the bottom, hanging rods on the top or in the middle, and then shelving up above for storage space. And so we're also getting started here. So we just put the door here now, or we start brick? Yes. Brick, man.
No, we put glass.
You put glass? Oh, you don't want to see it?
No. I will take inject, no? Or it's like tights.
Alright, upstairs. Media room. Ceiling has come along very nicely. Mr. Archie and his partner. Oh, not Mr. Archie. Mr. Archie's over here in the corner. Here in the master's bath, Mr. Jojo has taken over the tiling for the 2 sinks. So they're going to tile all the way around and in the back. Excuse me. Same thing on this side. And that's what Mr. Jojo is working on. Mr. Jojo is over there cutting the tile down to the right size that he needs it for placing here. What he's doing is chamfering the corners, making them 45 degrees on both sides, so this is going to match right up. Same like it did right here. You got a nice smooth finish on the front. And they're going to do the same thing over here for her vanity. Hers. We've got the flooring finished for the linen closet and for the walk-in closet. So they'll put cabinets here, drawers on that side for the drawers for the walk-in closet. And this side here will be closed off all the way across, right here about where this, right about there. And this will come up, this will be shelving for towels and linens and that sort of thing. Let's take a look upstairs, see what our ceilings are starting to look like. Starting to come this way. Out here in the garage area, we're still building on the stainless steel sliding gates. So we've got all the bars in place now, and Mr. Lito is going back and tack welding all of the castings, these little castings here in place. So they've got them already done for the top row. Now he's coming back and doing the ones for the bottom. All right. We got an update on Chokoy's drone. He's now got a landing pad.
Special made.
Special made, look, oh. The ceiling guys finished up all the gypsum board that they had on stock, and they have completed all of the media square Grecian columns. Have gotten up to height from the top of the wood here coming across to this one is going to be a small arch that will carry the same arch pattern as we have here. So that's something to see coming in the next week or so. Hi, Miss Ems, what you think? Huh? Oh. Because this here is going to have this is the drop that they did for the cove ceiling on the inside, and then this is going to run into the arch ceiling that we have on this side. So on that side it's going to look like it's flush to the top, but when you come under and look at it from this side, you won't notice that there's a difference of about 2 inches. Oh, okay. It'll be really small. All right, the welders had found a stopping point for the day. We have the length of bar that's going to be the guide rail that's going to go across the top here. So from the top corner all the way across to the other top corner, that's where that'll sit, and the little rollers will help keep it all aligned so that the top doesn't flip over as it's going from one side of the track to the other. So like I said, they found a good stopping point. We will see some of them again on Monday. We also got the guide rail completed and installed. So this will be here for the sliding gate to roll across all the way to the back. And then he's going to put the welders are going to put a stopper on the steel rod so that the gate doesn't go back but so far, so it doesn't go off the back of the track. It'll stop at a certain point, and that point will be when the front of the gate, the leading edge of the gate, is even here. So that gives about 5 meters back that direction, so that covers the whole length when it comes this direction. So. All right, we're going to start closing up today. The guys are on cleanup detail. It's the end of the week, so they're going to start cleaning up around the site real quick. We've had a good week this week. Ceilings have gotten started. Wall tiles are still working. Electricians are pulling wire. CCTV guys pulled their wire where it needed. Lots of painting and prime coating on the fence wall. Oh, sorry, on the fence grills. And we got started with the sliding gate for the exit. So, been a great week. If y'all like today's video, please give us a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of these videos, hit the casa.texpina star right over here and you'll be subscribed. Hit the bell icon just below the view screen and you'll be notified of our next video upload for your viewing pleasure. So until we see you again on Monday for build day number, I'm going to get this right this time, build day number 179, you guys have a great afternoon, great weekend, and God bless. Yabba dabba doo!